There's one habit the top 1% swear by, but almost no one talks about it. It's not waking up at 5 a.m. It's not reading 100 books. It's something almost invisible, so subtle that even high performers often miss it. But once you use it, you stop running blindly. You start thinking clearly, and you finally start moving with purpose. Most people are in reaction mode. Notifications, pressure, hustle. They're busy, but they're not aligned. The top 1%, they don't just work hard, they pause and they reflect in silence. That is the habit. Deep, intentional, uninterrupted reflection. Solitude reveals what hustle hides. It helps you see patterns in your life. It uncovers hidden fears, and it makes space for truth. Steve Jobs did it. Da Vinci did it. Einstein did it obsessively. This isn't just some self-help hack. It's a thinking ritual, a weapon for clarity. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you sat alone? No phone, no noise, just you and your thoughts. When did you last ask yourself, why am I chasing this? Is this path even mine? We don't reflect, so we repeat, and the loop continues until we break it. So here's what you can do. Take 10 minutes today, just 10. No distractions, just you and a blank page. Write, walk, think. Whatever helps you go inward. Ask the hard questions. Be honest with yourself. That's how the 1% think. They don't just act, they understand, and then they move with power. Remember, reflection isn't a weakness. It's where self-mastery begins. And those who master themselves are the ones who shape the world. I'll meet you in the next video. For now, you can watch these videos.